You really can't escape the talk about artificial intelligence these days, can you? It feels like something genuinely new is starting.
Hmm.
But for a lot of people, it probably still feels very technical, maybe out of reach, like you need, a PhD.
Right.
So our deep dive today is really about that. Do you really need to be a coder? And, well, where are the real chances to actually build something?
Yeah, exactly. And look, this isn't just about AI taking jobs away. It's more about how you, the listener, can actually use it, how you build with it.
Okay.
Our mission here is to pull out the key insights,
Mm-hmm.
how AI is opening up these, frankly, unprecedented opportunities if you're willing to learn, willing to adapt. It's about transforming things from the inside.
So when we talk about AI creating wealth, yeah, people often think jobs lost. But you're saying it's about building. Where's the leverage? Where does it get like really interesting for building wealth?
Well, what's so powerful, I think, are the core things AI does exceptionally well. Efficiency, doing things at scale, and personalization.
Right.
AI can just automate those repetitive tasks,
Right.
find patterns in data sets that are just too big for humans and tailor experiences in ways we just couldn't before.
Okay.
And it's not just about speed. It unlocks things that were basically impossible. Think huge cost savings or products so personalized people become incredibly loyal. And then there are the insights you get for making smarter decisions. It can literally reshape how a business works.
Conceptually, that makes total sense. Efficiency, scale, personalization. But for someone listening right now, they're probably thinking, okay, but what does that look like for me? Like practically.
Yeah, good question.
How are people, like everyday people or small businesses, actually using this now to make money?
Oh, absolutely. We're seeing real money being made, real fortunes fueled by AI right now. Take content creation.
Okay.
You've got AI tools like ChatGPT for writing, Jasper AI for more marketing stuff, DLE for images. These let individuals pump out really high-quality stuff incredibly fast.
Oh, yeah. I heard about a freelance writer, I think. They used AI to whip up like dozens of blog post outlines, even first drafts. Took a fraction of the time.
Exactly.
But used to take a whole day. They did it in a couple of hours. Ended up taking on like 3 times the clients. Big income boost.
Precisely. It's a total shift in their capacity, right?
Yeah.
And AI basically turns that solo freelancer into a mini agency overnight.
Wow.
Lets them grab work that only bigger teams could handle before.
Yeah.
The key thing here is AI as this instant, force multiplier for your own skills.
That is powerful. Okay, what else are you seeing?
Well, then there's e-commerce. It's being totally reinvented. You've got AI doing product recommendations.
Like Amazon's, you might also like.
Exactly like that. And, that feature alone reportedly drives something like, 35% of Amazon's revenue? It's huge.
35%? Wow.
Yeah. And it's not just recommendations. It's automated chatbots for customer service, AI managing inventory.
I saw this case study, a small online boutique, right? They put in an AI chatbot, handled something like 70% of the basic customer questions. Where's my orders?
Frees people up.
Yeah. The owner could focus on finding cool products, marketing. And their sales went up 20% in like 6 months.
And what's really next level there is AI moving beyond just recommending things
Yeah.
to actually predicting what someone wants or needs.
Predicting intent.
Yeah. It understands behavior deeply, turns browsers into buyers because it almost anticipates them. That's a whole new level of CRM. And AI is also streamlining just basic business operations.
Also.
Sales, marketing, even HR and finance. You see tools like Pipedrive's AI sales assistant in their CRM, predicting which deals might close.
Yeah.
Or Wix's AI website builder just, poof, creating a whole site for you.
Right, like that startup founder example. Using AI to automatically qualify leads, send initial emails.
Yeah.
What took days manually, now done in hours, helps them get investors way faster. For a startup, that's make or break.
Totally. And, it's not just about using the AI tools directly. There are also the big axe sellers in this gold rush.
Ah, the infrastructure folks.
Exactly. Companies like NVIDIA making the powerful chips, ASML with the machines that make the chips, TSMC actually manufacturing them. They're building the essential hardware. It just shows there are lots of ways to create wealth here, not just the obvious ones.
Okay, so putting this all together,
Right.
what does it mean for you listening right now? This isn't some far-off future thing. It's happening now. And the surprising part might be that getting started, leveraging AI, the barrier seems lower than people think. So what's the first step? How do you get in?
Yeah, that's the key question, isn't it? How do you actually tap into this? Well, first I'd say embrace learning. Keep learning.
Okay.
This stuff moves fast. So dedicate some time, understand the basics, use platforms like Coursera, EDX, Udacity, lots of great resources.
Makes sense.
Second, look around you, your job, your industry. What's repetitive? Where do you wish you had better insights? Identify a problem AI could potentially solve.
Find a pain point.
Exactly. Third, start small. Experiment. Don't try to boil the ocean. Maybe integrate AI features into tools you already use. Google Workspace, Microsoft Copilot have them built in now. Or just play with an AI writing tool.
Get your feet wet.
Yeah. Fourth, try to develop an AI-first way of thinking. Like, how could AI make this task more efficient or more creative or boost profit? Apply it across the board in your thinking.
Right.
And finally, maybe consider building your own AI business. Could be a content agency using AI, a specific niche tool, maybe AI consulting, or an e-commerce store that's optimized with AI from the ground up.
It really does feel like the AI gold rush is properly underway. It's almost dizzying trying to keep track of it all.
It is, but the opportunity, it's immense. You can build extraordinary wealth. It's really only limited by your imagination and, frankly, your willingness to learn and jump in. So the question for you is, are you ready to grab a shovel? Or maybe even better, are you ready to build the next generation of gold mining machines? The chance is right here, right now.